Hey people, what's up? Okay, so the winner of my last Dragon's Back deck giveaway is Apocalyptic Chakalaka Real. Yeah, you heard me right? Congratulations. Now another Bicycle Guardians deck to be given away at the end of this video, and there's also a mega comment giveaway going on at my channel right now, so go ahead and check it out. Now let's get to the trick. Hey people, what's up? Okay, so today I'm gonna show you a really awesome card trick with these 4 queens, and I'm gonna need the help of a spectator, but usually I don't have any spectators like today. Yep, it's true. But I'm gonna select a card on my own anyways, because it really doesn't matter if I look at the card. So let's say in this case I pick this card right here. That's the 3 of clubs. Okay, I'm not gonna need the rest of the deck, so I'm gonna put the deck aside. Now we know that here the 2 red queens are just below the 2 black queens, so I'm gonna ask you to go ahead and pick any color, red or black. Let's say you pick the color red. So now here we know that the 2 red queens are at the bottom of the deck. Okay, now we're just gonna put the selection after the 2 queens. So if we flip over, we know that the 2 queens will be at the top, and your selection card will be after the 2 queens. So now I'm just gonna sandwich the selection in between the queens like so, and I'm gonna place the selection on the table, and I'm just gonna place the 2 black queens here, 2 red queens sandwiching your card here. I'm just gonna square everything up like so. Okay, now all I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to pick the selection right from here like so. I'm just gonna have to drop the selection here, just like that. You can clearly see the selected card is no more in between the 2 red queens. Now if you take a look here, there is a selection sandwich between the 2 black queens, and the card happens to be your selection card, that is a 3 of clubs. Do you know why this happened? Because I'm awesome. Now to do this trick, all you need is a regular deck, and you need 4 of a kind. It can be anything, 4 kings, 4 queens. I prefer the 4 queens. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to ask a spectator to go ahead and pick a card. Okay, it can be any card. So let's say in this case they pick, and just make sure that they don't pick a face card, because it's gonna match with the face queen. So let's say they pick the 7 of diamonds, then you don't need the rest of the deck. Okay, and now you tell them that the 2 red queens are at the bottom and the 2 black queens are at the top. Ask them to pick a color, and no matter what color they pick, what you have to do is you have to pull 1 queen from the bottom to the top. It's only 1 queen. And now for the next time, what you have to do is you have to push over 2 queens. These are 2 cards. You have to flip the 2 queens over. So in real speed it looks something like this, and this. So behind this queen I have another black queen, but they don't know it. Okay, so this is a situation. Then you tell them that you're gonna place the selection just after the 2 queens, and then you casually flip all the cards over. Now while showing the top 2 queens, what you have to do is you have to hide. You don't want to show them the black queen, right? So what you do is you just cover the black queen with your thumb like so. In this situation they can never figure out that this queen is a black queen. Okay, as you can see. Okay, so you tell them that this is a situation like there are 2 red queens at the top, but actually one of them is black. So now after showing them the 2 queens, what you do is you flip over the double. This is the 7 of diamonds. You tell them, but actually it's a double. Behind the 7 of diamonds we have the queen of hearts. Okay, it's a red queen. Then again we flip over the double, and now they think that the 7 of diamonds is the top card, but actually it's a queen. Now what we do is we place the queen in between these 2 queens like so, and we square up everything. Now what we do is we just take 2 cards from the top, the first face up and first face down card, and we place the card at the table, but you have to do a wrist kill like so. because you don't want to flash the face up queen. Okay, so what you do is this, and you place these two cards on the table. They think that this is the selection and it's sandwiched between the two red queens. Now again we are in this situation. Okay, we don't want to flash two queens like this, so what we do is we just peel off this queen and simultaneously we flip this hand over like so. So it looks something like this, but we have to do it in real speed. It looks something like this. Okay, and now what you have to do is simply place the queen, the remaining queen, here on the top of the existing queen. So now at this point of time the magic is done. So now you want to be as clean as possible. Okay, so now you square up everything, and just like that. Now you can do some magical move, something like that, like this, anything, and then you can expose finally that the selection has jumped from here in between two queens to here. Then you can just reveal this card any way you want. Now if you want to win this Guardian stack of bicycle playing cards, then all you have to do is you have to like this video and comment in the comment section below, and that's it, you entered. So thanks guys, thanks for watching the video. I'm gonna see you next time in the next video.